March 30th, 2026. Here is the QQQ. Let's see what VIX is at 29.73. We could rally. We could rally to this bottom line right here. That's not quite the line, right? Yeah, that's in the first range, but we have a second range right here at 580 for the QQQ. So we can mark that right here, double line. So we have two levels of resistance to pass through if we're ever gonna recover. So those are the lines we're looking for the QQQ in terms of the daily. Bitcoin is catching a bit, but still within the trading range. Still, man, Sanders just moves like a truck. And view. Oh, why do I have that in there? Oh, okay, right here. Okay. Let's just be patient and observe the price action. So I'm gonna just have the MNQ, have some charts here. Not gonna be trading anything yet. My strategies are my reversal, breaking out. We're not in that stage. We're actually in kind of a stage 4. So if anything, a breakout to the downside is what I'm looking for. And we're gonna look for a fashionably late. So let's be patient. Oh, we have 10:30. Powell speaks. Okay, let's see if he's gonna rock things up a little bit. All right, be right back. don't want to get ahead of myself, but this does look like a downtrend day. We do have VWAP right here. Does it bounce? We do have a signal, fashionably late signal, kind of. Let's see. Okay, into our third candle. Let's check the internals. Down, down, down.
Team Bowl was all over my social media this weekend. Let's go. Jen is starting her book club soon. That should be a lot of fun. Very valuable for people. She's going to be doing book club on VPA, Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cooling. All right, let's see. We almost have our first 15-minute range in.
Yep. Staying patient. Trading my 3 systems first for a little bit.
Grizzly, how do you feel about a bounce or a pre-market low?
Where is pre-market low? Oh, okay, 4 o'clock. Where is that? Okay, right here. We're interacting with it. No, we have VWAP right underneath. We just have a lot of, yeah, we have one low volume node right here, and we have another one right here right below VWAP. We just have a lot of different type of action going on. Check the internals. See if it's a bounce. Nvidia. Oh, big tail. Apple. Nope. Solid bar. And SPY. So of the 3, Bitcoin hanging in there.
I want to see a sweep and reclaim. Yesterday's low was way down there, though. Interesting. We got 15-minute low and pre-market low directly at the same spot if we close this candle right here.
$15-minute range is in. VWAP Stops right underneath. Not a reversal sign just yet. We need a big wick, and we can wait. We're not in any rush.
Alright, got our 15-minute high and 15-minute low in, everybody. I still am going to watch for this. Yep, we did. We literally, by like, unless we missed it by like a point. Missed it by what, a point or two?
What's gold doing?
That's your favorite, is when you get Fed speakers, right?
It's one of my.
What's your pre-market low show, Grizzly? Yeah, that's what mine says too. When I calculate it from 2 a.m. Eastern time, it's a little lower, but with the Grizzology pre-market low, it's 373. Yep, so I'm watching too.
Yeah, triple 1, 2, 1. How many points is that? 20.
Slight pout. You'd like to see a push, touch of UOP, and then close back above. yourself up. But now you have that capability. I'm down to try some longs above VWAP. I just want to see a candle close.
Need a big, nice wick. That's what I need. Node to node. Longs look very interesting for the MNQ.
If we had higher volume on this, I'd probably take shorts up here. It's like 375, 380.
Yeah, I agree.
But volume's a little sketchy. But if we had a higher volume candle here, I'd almost certainly try shorts here with stops at like 405, 406.
Damn it. Check market internals. Video down. SPY sideways. Oh, almost catching back a bid.
Volume, I would have certainly, like, almost for sure, tried shorts right here, but volume's weak.
Weak volume.
I did not take shorts, no. Still lower volume again. Which on the downside, I'd like to see a higher 5-minute candle. 15-minute chart, I don't think showing a whole lot either. Nope. Doing it. We're taking it nice and easy on a Monday. As always, I appreciate you guys using code JDON when you get funded. I want you guys to pass more evals, get more payouts from fundeds, and then take that money and move it to a live account. I don't want you guys being on the hamster wheel of burning accounts over and over. Trade with me, that's unacceptable. I'll do my best to never let that happen.
Okay. MNQ is sweeping VWAP.
Looks like that would have been the one. There's a Glock at a higher volume, I would have ripped. Absolutely, with all my heart, ripped.
looked promising, but now not so much. Just waiting for a big reversal sign then. There's another low volume node here. Maybe I'll transact that VWAP.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it.
Okay, perfect. Sweet these levels. Okay, Apple's bouncing. Nvidia is going to the downside spot, also to the downside.
On this 5-minute candle. I'm open to it right now. We have a minute and a half left in this candle. It looks like we're gonna have higher volume. We're gonna pull back to like 3:30 with stops at like 3:55-ish. I don't like how we haven't had a single retracement yet. That doesn't look great.
Okay, one more minute. Oh, 9:58.
5-minute time frame is what I trade on.
Fashionably late double signal. This does look pretty good. Let's get ready.
It looks like this 2 bar is gonna confirm, so I'm open to looking at it, potentially trying it. See how this wick looks.
Come on, no wick.
Yeah, it technically is valid. Let's see if we get to it's like 3:30.
Order filled.
What a few.
Try to piece of shorts, guys. It's really fast up there. Trying a small piece of shorts for this 2 bar up here at 3:30. Almost 20 points so far. 15 if you got it around like 3:25. I like to see a low day. Low days, the spot I'd like to see. I have my stops.
Order filled.
If we get a strong move down, I'll move my stops down to like 3:35. If we get a strong move down first. But I did try the 2 bar. I have hard stops at 3:55.
Me too. I also tried the 2 bar.
On the bright side, we're trying to reject the spot, so we know we have the right idea whether it works out or not, which Besides this, the only real setups I like are a 50% retracement of the day. If we somehow get to move up, we can move up here, or if we get some sort of reversal back above like pre-market low. That's really all I like, is a potential reversal if we end up getting to move back up, or if we get overall deeper retracement of the day.
Let's see the 2-bar in action.
Don't do it, come on. Respect the 2-bar. Go to low day first.
Doesn't look likely. Must say.
If I lose, I blame Mondays. I blame Mondays.
Oof.
Yeah, we'll see. We tried to push a few times. We'll see if it ends up working out. It's not the best close that I'd like to see.
Good thing volume is low. Let's see gold.
I don't like that we close this 5-minute candle above that retracement area, but I'm going to keep my plan in place for now. Come on.
Push it down.
Push it further down. Come on.
Push it down.
I'm taking a trim down here, guys. I'm taking a trim down here in the low 300s. Everybody. I'm taking a little piece off down there. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to move my stop to 335. Come on.
I'll still hold it.
I want to see low day. If I got a 1-to-1 sell, I'd like to see lower now. I'd like to see us flush like 293. Come on.
Flush it.
Flush low.
as foreman.
Well, trade's over for me, guys. We'll take it. We got just over 1-to-1 from like 330 down to 295. I wanted to see a low day move, but maybe it gives us a reversal now where we can look for longs. I'm still open to another trade. Just being a little safer on a Monday. I'd like to see catch a bigger trend move. 30, 35 points, whatever. We'll take it. It's fine.
Unless this volume has more here and it closes that sharply, we're gonna exit, but otherwise we're gonna hold. This still looks good for me. I don't like how the 9 EMA is flattening. I'm gonna base it off this 5-minute volume. If it closes strongly, we're gonna be out no matter what.
It's alright. We're being safer today. We're choosing safety. Pre-pal. But 1-to-1, we'll take it. Started the day off, didn't really have any drawdown, like 8 points of drawdown or something. Maybe we can get a nice reversal here and take some up to the middle line. We'll take it. 1-for-1 to start. You can take that last trade with me? I don't blame you. Pay for peace. I appreciate you guys using code JDUN to get funded, everybody. I appreciate y'all supporting me. Right now, Apex is 50% off. Tradeify 3.0 drops tomorrow. You guys don't want to miss Tradeify 3.0 tomorrow.
Reversal candle.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we stopped out. $10.10. One more trade for me. We have a reversal signal. I would have been out of that trade anyways.
That was fast. Call me crazy. I just muted myself in Team Bull. I was kind of looking to pull back on this candle and maybe catch a reversal. We'll see. We're still below VWAP. But out Grizzly shorts work out. Hope they crush.
reversal to work out. I need one more candle. Sweep. 3. Nope. Let's check market internals. SPY catching a bit. Apple sideways. Nvidia is now at VWAP again.
No new trades for you, boy. Just waiting. Not taking any trades in the bathroom. That's why I was even a little hesitant on the initial 2 bar, is that this market's been very supply and demand heavy, like heavy bounces and heavy rejects. What makes sense with trends hasn't done as well as I'd like sometimes.
Okay, I need one manipulation down back to the 300 level. Interested in longs only at the moment, guys. No shorts unless we have a 2-bar that initiates the short.
Hopefully it dies for you, my guy. That one's the big one.
this sweeps with higher volume, that I'm looking for shorts again, but I'm looking for the sweep for the longs. Sweep for the longs, guys. No trade just yet. What's gold doing? Nothing. Internals, Nvidia at VWAP, Apple catching a bit but under VWAP, SPY catching a bit under VWAP. Late is invalidated because we have been just chopping sideways, so that's not a trade. So we're down to our two systems reversals. So I'm still looking for one more manipulation down, and then we'll take the longs, or we can take a 2-bar depending on what we see. This invalidates this, so we're waiting for another 2-bar to catch a trend in the intraday. Cook. Okay, just sideways chop at the moment. I'll speaking soon. Hopefully we can manipulate down and then come back up. Let's see if that'll happen. Oh, okay. Gold is something very interesting.
We haven't decided yet. Somewhere tropical, somewhere with a lot of sunshine and a lot of sand. That's where I'm going. It's Tennessee to the lake. Lake McConaughey. That's where everyone from Colorado goes. If you're from Nebraska, you know Lake McConaughey. Is the GSI gonna fire Grizzly? Grizzly sell indicator? Europe would be awesome.
Good morning.
Who? He said as demand started speaking. Demand in the room with us? It's been an hour. So far, 2 winning trades. One from me and one from Grizzly Glauk.
Okay, check internals. Sideways, SPY, Right under VWAP, Apple, Nvidia, below VWAP.
I actually have that on my schedule to make that video today, Trades FM. I actually put it on my schedule that I made for myself. Well, that Claude made for me. But I gave it the details to make. I love Claude. Claude's the GOAT. Once you start learning and using Claude over ChatGPT, you never go back to ChatGPT ever again. Ever. It's terrible. Grok's alright too. I'm a Claude guy though.
Nvidia down, Apple down, SPY catching up.
Quads are doing leg day, bro. Copilot's alright too. It's crazy. I watched iRobot for the first time ever last week, and I was like, have we not all seen how this ends? This is literally what's coming to life. Literally what's coming in the next like 5-10 years. iRobot is not a movie, it's a documentary.
Disagreeing signals on the MNQ.
Only thing I like right now is shorts until we break above pre-market low with a strong candle. I'd say you can look for longs to move up, but right now I'd be short focused until we show some confirmation that we want to reverse. Come on, come get down with the sickness.
Damn it. Perfect.
There is a move down we wanted earlier.
Okay, are these the sweep longs we're looking for? Check the internals. SPY down, Apple down, Nvidia down, okay. Still have a lot of candle left.
What do you say? Oh. I sold my equity in FFF a long time ago, well over a year ago. But I have a code with them. You can use code JDUN. Go rinse my old prop firm. Right now, I like their Prime plan for 30% off. What? Why? Market's closed Friday? Oh shit. Good Friday. Market closes early? Huh. We have data on Friday too, though. Non-farm payroll. Easter and on Sunday. Yup. Expect you wearing an Easter bunny. Put on the bunny costume for Friday. Yep, market closes early Friday for Good Friday. I don't know. Go skiing? We were thinking about going skiing today. But Beaver Creek closed yesterday, earliest ever. There's literally no snow. Makes me scared for summer, for fire season.
Order rejected.
I'm gonna stick around for like 20 more minutes. For my second one, I usually just do like a long walk or jog or bike ride. I do one lift and then one like cardio or whatever you want to call it. I don't do too aggressive workouts. I'll like walk my dogs. And I live in the mountains, so it's the hills. It's a grind. It ain't no average walk. Like walk, jog, bike ride. I like riding my bike a lot. No.
Order filled. Order filled.
Adjusting my stop losses.
Stop filled.
That's it done for today, guys. Let's get the screenshot.
Money, has he got? Take it. You know, for Monday, take it.
Stop filled.
Okay, done for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay smart, stay safe. Shout out to Jay Dunn. Catch you guys in the next video.